First mistake you will ever make: don't crib or complain that your friend is rich and can study for 24 hours और हमें तो जॉब करना पड़ता है. If you want to crib and cry, don't watch this lesson, just go home and stop preparing for UPSC. अगर रोना धोना है तो ये बंद करो सब, ठीक है. Your friend is rich, maybe his dad is rich and he does not need to work and he is reading for 24 hours. That's what your brain tells you. You did not study in college when you should have. अरे यार कॉलेज में पढ़ लेता तो बढ़िया रहता. You cannot compete with people who are doing like job full time. Now here job means preparation of UPSC, not your like typical job which you are doing. Okay, so they are on their job for full time. तो बस ये रोते रहते हैं यार, कुछ लोग तो 16 घंटे पढ़ते हैं, हम कैसे पढ़ेंगे. You will not be able to succeed in such tough competition with competing priorities. So please do not crib on these 4 points. If you are a cribber, stop it right now. Otherwise, quit UPSC. You will not succeed. अगर रोना धोना करना है तो बंद करो, ठीक है. So let's start this lesson. We will not crib or complain again in our life. How to prepare for UPSC? Commonly made mistakes by working professionals. If you remove these mistakes, you will go a long way. And do rate and review as much as you can. It will help us in bringing more and more awesome courses. Give 5 stars, write reviews as much as you can, and it will really help us take this platform to another level. Thank you. So let's get started. The competition is very tough. It is not easy. Everybody knows 11 lakh people will fill the form this year. Only 1000 will get selected. Next year, by the time you will give in prelims in 2017, 15 lakh people will fill the form. Still 1000 will get selected. There are too many distractions and avenues for moving away from the set path. बॉस बोलता है प्रमोशन कर दूंगा. There is a new girlfriend, you want to marry her. There are so many things which you can do and settle down in your life. If you think you are doing any of it, rectify it immediately. Immediate effect से उसको rectify कर दो, because it is always better to learn from others' mistake rather than learning it the hard way. Okay? जो आपके सीनियर्स गलती कर चुके हैं, या आपके पापा गलती कर चुके हैं, या फिर आपका भाई या दोस्त या कोई गलती कर चुका है, लर्न फ्रॉम दैट मिस्टेक्स एंड मूव अहेड. Being aware of what is going wrong will help in the long run. Always remember this. Now these are the big no-nos which you have to like make sure you do not do. So let's get started. Learning versus clearing the exam. You are not here to become a scholar. Do not get engrossed so much studying that try to read as much as possible. यहाँ पे scholar नहीं करना, PhD नहीं करनी है हमें बैठ के. Don't go crazy about it. Okay, just say no that I just want to clear the exam. Study only what is required from the point of exam. Cover more range than depth, and always delimit yourself. Cool. And then obviously दिमाग की बत्ती जलाओ and do not be overconfident. Always remember that there is a huge chance that you will not get success. While multitasking, you are not likely to remember everything you study, so revision is the key here. Do not be overconfident कि भाई मेरे को तो सब पढ़ लिया, ब्लॉग्स पढ़ लिए 10 अनअकैडमी के वीडियो देख लिए, अब सब आ गया. Always make snippets, take screenshots of them. Anything that best suits you, make sure you get it done. And keep revising rather than reading more and 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 more. Always keep revising, sir and ma'am. It is the key. Reading more से कुछ नहीं हुआ आज तक, किसी का कोई पेपर क्लियर नहीं हुआ लाइफ में. Always remember that you have to revise it again and again. No proper methodology. You have to get a routine and method of study. Okay, बस कि कभी वहाँ पे पढ़ लिया, कभी ऊबर में कैब में जा रहे थे वहाँ पढ़ लिया, कभी दिल्ली मेट्रो में पढ़ लिया, कभी चाय वाले की दुकान पे किताब निकाल ली लोगों को दिखाने के लिए कि हम पढ़ते हैं. डू नॉट डू दैट स्टफ, दैट डज नॉट हेल्प. गेट अ रूटीन कि भाई चलो मैं 4 घंटे पढ़ूंगा, रात को 7 बजे से सुबह 11 बजे, या रात को 3 बजे से सुबह 7 बजे. जो पढ़ना है पढ़ो, मेरे को मतलब नहीं है, बट यूपीएससी को मतलब है. एंड गेट इट डन. इफ रीडिंग सफाइसेस यू देन मेक नोट्स एंड डू नॉट जंप द गन. Always do whatever you are doing properly with 100% concentration to ensure 100% retention. This has to be done. Now do not compare yourself to others. You work at the maximum of your potential. Always remember that. अगर आपने maximum potential पे काम कर लिया, and if you follow that 4 hours study timetable which I made, you will 100% get selected. Personal guarantee. Do not ever compare yourself to anybody in life. Some people are just gifted, they have 160 IQ, but that does not matter. You just need one seat out of 100 or 1000. More often, people don't use even 10% of their ability. Just make sure you are not one among them. Getting distracted is most common these days. There are many prospective avenues may seem luring. You go to any coaching institute, there are lot of alluring things I'll not mention here, but you know what I'm referring to. You might think other things like your boss is giving you a project, your company is giving you a onshore project, या फिर बोल रहे हैं जर्मनी में जाके ये संभाल लो, यूएसए में जाके वो प्रोजेक्ट कर लो. सब बकवास है. If you don't want to do that, then you prepare for UPSC. Don't focus on that. Don't take the assignments. Remember, you are not here to raise your prospects in the current situation. So stay focused and don't be over ambitious. Just remember that. Now there are a lot of pessimistic thought. Like obviously it is inevitable. Negative thoughts will stress you, will never allow you to grow. But ensure positive environment and company. Make sure your friends are nice. Make sure you listen to my voice every day for 10 minutes. अगर मेरी आवाज़ ही सुन लोगे तो मोटिवेशन आ जाता है यार. मुर्दे भी जिंदा हो जाते हैं. So always remember that there is somebody who is there for you. I am there for you. I'll help you. Ask me for doubts. Ask me for problems. कि रोमन सर ये कोर्स बना दो, मैं बना दूंगा. Somebody said कि रोमन सर 6 to 12th क्लास की सारी एनसीईआरटी कवर कर लो. कवर ऑल दी एनसीईआरटी, ज्योग्राफी, हिस्ट्री, पॉलिटी, साइंस, इकोनॉमी, एनवायरनमेंट, इकोलॉजी, सिविक्स, ये वो, आर्ट एंड कल्चर. मैंने बोला ठीक है. सो एन अकेडमी टीम इज़ वर्किंग एंड वी विल प्रोवाइड ऑल दी एनसीईआरटीज. डोंट वरी. इफ़ यू वांट देम इन हिंदी ऑल्सो लेट मी नो. कर दूंगा यार, सब कर दूंगा. मोर इम्पॉर्टेंटली, इफ़ यू फील देर इज़ एन इशू, एड्रेस इट रादर देन इग्नोरिंग इट. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, अगर कोई इशू है तो उसको एड्रेस करो ना यार. बोलो उसको, बताओ लोगों को कि भाई ये दिक्कत है. क्यों अपने तक रखते हो उसको? ठीक है. अब ये ऑब्वियसली दिस इज़ मच बेटर, दिस इज़ मच बैड. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट डोंट बी टू हार्श ऑन योर सेल्फ. नो डाउट यू हैव टू कंपनसेट फॉर लॉस ऑफ टाइम. इसका मतलब नहीं सोना बंद कर दो. इसका मतलब खाना पीना बंद कर दो, एक्सरसाइज करना बंद कर दो, दोस्तों से मिलना बंद कर दो, वाइफ के साथ बैठना बंद कर दो. डोंट डू दैट. Don't be too harsh on yourself. You cannot concentrate for 2 hours straight. It is absolutely impossible. Just follow Pomodoro principle. I follow it every day, where you work for 25 minutes and then take a 5 minutes break. This is the best thing you'll ever do in your life. Compromising on sleep. Sleep is absolute essential for your body to re-energize and gear up for the upcoming task. Often you will see like many will people will complain of blackout during examination. It is precisely because of lack of sleep. सो नेवर एवर 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 डू दैट मिस्टेक. अगर कोई 7 घंटे से कम सो रहा है तो वो रिटार्ड है. डोंट डू दैट. एटलीस्ट स्लीप फॉर 7 hours. देर आर सम पीपल हु कैन स्लीप फॉर 5-6 hours. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट. दे आर जेनेटिकली लाइक दैट. बट एनीबडी हु स्लीप्स फॉर 8 or 9 hours अ डे बट एग्जाम के लिए वो 7 घंटे सो रहा है, देन ही इज डूइंग अ वेरी बिग मिस्टेक. Because it will decelerate your efficiency and performance. And optimum amount of sleep is required around 6 to 8 hours. Now obviously this is very important that, sorry, इंटरनेट टू एड एंड नॉट डिस्ट्रैक्ट यू. इंटरनेट पे जाके फेसबुक मत खोलना. जस्ट गो टू unacademy.in एंड वॉच द हिंदू इन 10 minutes. वॉच the PIB in 10 minutes. Watch the MCQs on current affairs by made by me and Rohit Loda in Hindi for 10 minutes. Watch the courses made by Yasmin in 10 minutes on MCQs on PIB. Watch like the insights answers every day. Watch vocabulary courses. Don't waste too much time on internet suggesting that you are reading from the internet, and you might start with one activity and the thread gets continued and you will never know how you lost 30 minutes. Always remember that. Okay, don't waste too much time. Delimit your activity and time frame. And if you are getting carried away, keep intermittent alarm to make you conscious of what you are doing. Now people also do this in office कि भाई इंटरनेट पे बैठे हैं पढ़ रहे हैं. ऑफिस में बैठो तो भी इंटरनेट का अच्छे से यूटिलाइजेशन करो. Now not prioritizing is also important. For instance, doing optional in the month of April, that is not important. भाई अभी प्री आने वाला है 2 महीने में, तुम ऑप्शनल का क्या चाड़ डालोगे? Don't do that. This will be a blunder. Rather, if you had planned properly and followed that 4-hour principle, 4-hour study timetable which I have suggested, it would do a world of good to you. Follow your routine properly and the task will be well planned with sufficient time, and make a list of short term and long term goals and stick to them as much as possible. And finally, do smart work. Don't do slogging. गधों की तरह 20-20 घंटे काम करने से आज तक किसी का भला नहीं हुआ. You don't have to study to 10 to 12 hours in a day. Just remember the Pareto principle. 80% एफर्ट नहीं डालना है तुम्हें, 20% एफर्ट डालना है और 80% अचीवमेंट चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, रीडिंग राजीव वहीर फॉर 2 days विल गिव यू 80% ऑफ MCQs. इवन इफ यू स्टडी फॉर 4 hours, even that is sufficient provided you know what is the requirement of the hour. Find what best suits you and just stick to it. Okay, and lastly you will be like this. You have to achieve your goal. हम यहाँ बैठे हैं, कोई भी कोर्स बनाना है, कुछ भी बनाना है, तुम बस नाम लो और वो हो जाएगा. यू जस्ट टेल द नेम ऑफ विच कोर्स यू वांट. आई पर्सनली गारंटी विद इन 1 week वो कोर्स लाइव हो जाएगा. आप लोगों ने बोला था हिंदू की समरी चाहिए, वो कर दी. योजना की समरी चाहिए, वो कर दी. आपने बोला PIB की समरी चाहिए, वो भी बना दी. यू साइड की MCQs चाहिए, वो भी कर दी है. यू साइड MCQs हिंदी में चाहिए, वो कर दिया. आपने बोला हिंदू हिंदी में चाहिए, वो भी कर दिया. आपने बोला PIB हिंदी में चाहिए, वो भी कर देंगे. आपने बोला PIB के MCQs हिंदी में चाहिए, वो कर देंगे. आपने बोला NCERT की समरी चाहिए, वो भी बना दी. You just tell what you want and we will get it done, 100% guaranteed. So I hope you will give the 5-star and you will share this with everybody of your friends, and will really appreciate and I'll really appreciate that, and it will help us keep getting more and more courses. Thank you for watching this lesson. I really hope that you get success in your life. Have an awesome day.